Okay, so we got some Opt7 Aurora interior LED strips, just the 4. It's not the Bluetooth one, so I kind of cheaped out about that. But here's the back. 300% brighter, complete color personalization. Stick them anywhere, last long, get glowing in 30 minutes or less, which it's gonna take way more than that because I'm gonna take everything apart so it looks cleaner and nicer. Okay, so we got everything out of the box. There is, I don't know, but we're gonna open them up. Okay, this legit just only has a remote in it. That's it. So there's that. It's little stickers and all the settings. So that's kind of cool. And then also we got these too. But we can do that, but it's just little cards saying warranty and how to install them. Should be pretty simple, I think. Shouldn't be too crazy. So here's all the wiring and the fuses, which we're going to use. And that's if you want to do this simple. The one on the commercial was actually different than this. But I might use this just a chest them out and see what they look like, but it's not how we're going to do it. We're going to hardwire it in. So here's a little connectors that connect on the end of the lights. Your adhesive booster. And here are the lights, and they're pretty thick. Focus. There we go. But that's like a thick, I don't know, like almost like a resin. But then it's just your ends right there, and it's just your 3M tape to your connectors. So that's all that box is. And then here's all the wiring, which sucks. So while playing, there's all your mounting stuff. Zip, holy cow, there's a lot of zip ties in here. But we'll get on that. Okay, got him plugged in. That's pretty sweet. Let's try this. Oh, I was like, it's not working, but I forgot to take the plastic out. Ooh, that's cool. I'm wondering if oh, okay. So if I press on it, it's just different. Like it goes fast, 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 fast. It's not like the actual rock lights, so that's kind of cool. Bah, ha. Okay, I just want to see. This is the music, so when it fills the bass. So I just wanted to see that, how that works. There's green, there's blue, purple. They're not flickering in person, it's just the LED lights and the camera, the way it brings it up. That's cool. There's a color cycle. So yeah, pretty cool. I like it. I'm excited. We are in the deep now, putting her in. So some people might have problems with this, some people won't. My brake controller is in the way, and so the mount is in that way. It's not too pretty, but there, and then the cord goes there. But when you're like actually looking at it, like my truck's starting, you can only see it if your like head was down here. Even then, if I like walk up to it, I can't see anything, which is nice. So it's probably the only hiccups we have. It's kind of a little bowed there because I can't get it up there, or stuck up there. So there's that one. Then let's go around the passenger, and then the rear is going to be a little different. Okay, so the rear is going to be a little more difficult. Sorry, it's really dirty back here. But there's really not any metal to go on to. This is too long or too short, and it's going to look weird if it's just poking out like that. There's a metal, I don't know if it's metal or that plastic piece right there. It kind of fits there good. And then, yeah, there's no way you'd see it unless you really looked underneath it. But my thing is, I'm gonna put it right here. I mean, you'll see a little bit, but it's not bad. And that's that way it's facing more, it's coming more into the floor. So, but it's kind of cool because you get these. So you get these little mounts, so you screw it into whatever you want. So there's a screw right there, and it kind of sits flat. So there's no, it doesn't mess with the light at all. Yeah, so there's that. So then what happens is, let's see if I can do this one hand. You slide it right between there, so it gives you enough space. So it sits there, goes in that hole, pull it out, and then you just lay the light on it. So it sits in there flush, and then you can just, you know, zip tie it and then whatever. So what you want to do is screw in these things into the carpet part right there, and that way you'll hold it. Okay, so we got her, I picked up a spot. I did a little plastic piece right here, so it actually fits a little snugger, and you can't really tell. If you walked into it, you wouldn't be able to see it. And then I shoved all the wires. So here's the wire right there. Probably can't see it. There it is. So I ran it there underneath here and made sure that the mechanism doesn't run it over somehow. And I put it in here somewhere. You can kind of, it's right here. You can kind of see it, but it's right there. And then I just ran it through the center console. Each side I just pushed it up into the thing and, you know, like walked it along into here on both sides. So I just pushed it up there, kept pushing it, and then I kind of shoved it in there for now because I need to wire the door mechanism so when it opens, or the light power comes on when you open the door, which I don't have enough time for that right now because I gotta get to sleep, but that'll be another video dedicated straight to it. So then I did the same thing on the other side, and then obviously the passenger side was easy. You just gotta run it through there, and so it's not bad. It's just time consuming. So I hit the wire there, ran it to my fuse. I think I did it to, for right now, just to make it work, I did the like the cruise or the heater HVAC, so it only turns on when I actually have the truck on. So let me show you. There she is, folks. Perfect on the other side. Boom. That looks sick. So it's green, red, strobe, fade, then yeah, just it's pretty cool. I love it. Looks sick. But I could show you the, let's see if I can get the music. Because I can't play music, so that's why. But anyways, pretty sick. Get you some. I'll put the link down below to get it.